Okay, this is the electromech lathe with auto hood, and the only thing different about this one is basically we have two micro switches, one here to show that the hood is down, and then there's one on the plexiglass door so that you make sure that the door is down before the cycle begins. So when we open the hood up, it will automatically dump the air and become disabled. So now for setup purposes, we can go ahead and run it through the setup mode. The other micro switch is over here for the plexiglass door. I'll go ahead and set up for this armature. We've got a carbide half bearings, slide into the cradles. Now we're loosening the 6 set screws, 2 on each cradle and 2 on the sliding end stop. And we also have a lock here for sliding the end stop in and out. We want our lead edge of the lamination and the lead edge of the belt to that side. Just kind of eyeing this in here. Bring the arm down and adjust your right to left so our belt is pretty much right on the edge of the laminations. And the first thing I do is normally bring in the end stop, because then that'll hold the armature in position as we adjust the cradles right to left. Lock that stop in position with the 2 set screws. Now I got the solid end stop right up against the shaft. We can lock that top screw. Now our movement right to left is set. That looks good for the belt edge. Now we can adjust our cradles close to the shoulder, but we want to leave a little bit of a gap for ease of loading and unloading. Those are in position. Now we lock the 4 set screws. That's in position now. And now we need to set our belt tension for the down. Let the belt bring its own weight down onto the part. Spin this knurled adjustment knob down. With the weight of this sitting on the part, you just run it down till it bumps, and then back it out. Give yourself about a 1/16 of an inch underneath it. Then you raise it back up.